Hare Krishna. Welcome back to Humble Devotee, where we uncover powerful and lesser known stories of Krishna and his devotees, stories that remind us that even today, Krishna quietly protects those who remember him with faith. Today's story is about a soldier, a battlefield, and a small Krishna pendant that saved his life. This story comes from a modern devotional account shared among devotees. A young soldier was preparing to leave for war. His mother was deeply worried. Before he left, she placed a small pendant of Lord Krishna around his neck and said, "My son, wherever you go, remember Krishna. He will protect you." The soldier smiled gently. He respected his mother's faith. But deep down, he thought the battlefield was decided by weapons, not prayers. Days later, the war began. The battlefield was chaos. Gunfire echoed everywhere. Explosions shook the ground, and soldiers were running for cover. During one intense moment of fighting, the soldier suddenly felt a strong impact on his chest. He fell to the ground. For a moment, he thought it was over. When the battle slowed and he looked down at his chest, he saw something unbelievable. The Krishna pendant around his neck was broken. A bullet had hit the pendant directly. The metal of the pendant had stopped the bullet from entering his chest. If the pendant had not been there, the bullet would have gone straight into his heart. The soldier sat there in silence, holding the broken pendant in his hands. In that moment, he remembered his mother's words, "My son Krishna will protect you." Tears filled his eyes. For the first time, he truly felt something he had never understood before: faith. When the war ended and he returned home, he showed the broken pendant to his mother. She didn't look surprised. She simply folded her hands and whispered, "Thank you, Krishna." This story teaches a powerful truth. Protection from Krishna does not always come with miracles that the whole world can see. Sometimes it comes quietly through a small pendant, a mother's prayer, or a moment of faith. And in those moments, we realize something beautiful. Krishna may be invisible to our eyes, but he is never absent from the lives of those who remember him. Now we would love to hear from you. Do you believe faith and prayer can protect us in ways we don't always understand? Right. Krishna protects his devotees in the comments if you believe this, and share this story with someone who needs a reminder that Krishna's protection is always near. Hare Krishna.